Say bye, Mum. Bye, Mum. Alright, hop on, darling. Quick. Mum's gone. Hop on. Yeah, hop on. Quick. Woo! At the beautiful Centenary Lakes today. Let's go down to the water. Down we go. Put your feet on the pedals. Down the hill. You just want to hop off? You got it? Wow, look at the water. Look at the birds down there. Look at the birdie. Hello. Wow. Wow. Alright, let's go this way. You want to push your bike? Wow, more down there. Let's go. Don't get too close. Water looks nice and yucky in there. Look at the birdies in the tree, look. Look, Trinity, look. Look at the birdies up in the tree. See the birds up there? Look at all the birds. Look at the birdies over here, darling, look. See the birds? Birds up there. Trinity. What's that? Oh. Are you going to throw it at the birdie? Alright, let's go this way. Come on. You wanna hop on? Hop on. Let's go. More birdies down there. Put your feet up. Use the pedals, that's it. We've got to turn around. Pedal, pedal, pedal. Right up, hit the brakes. Where do you want to go now? Where do you want to go? Where? Oh, you want to hop back on the bike? On you get. Let's go. Bye-bye, duckies. Yeah! Woo! Awesome! Awesome fun! Hop on! Well, there we go, let's go! Steer! Whoops! You're a bit of a wild steerer. You just steer around in circles. Here we go. Here we go. Alright, ready? Turn around. Ready, set, go. Up the hill. Alright, hop off. Alright, you made it. Let's go on the grass. Daddy ratio, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go get the birdies. Let's go. Whoopsie. You fell over. You say Mum? Mum's back. Trinity's off to get Mummy. You're just going to sit on the concrete and wait, hey? What do you reckon?
Hey, Mum.
Hey?
Mum.
Where? You see? Here comes Tyler. Tyler, you made it! You made it! Hello.
Ta-da.
Where'd you go?
I was with Mum.
Oh, you had to go.
I got thongs on.
You got your thongs on? Alright, you ready?
Go!
Uh-oh. Let's go and have some fun. Ready, set, go!